Body galore, facing life head on, blowing fresh at the door. No limits, all in it, yeah, be ready to soar. Every step that I take, every move that I make, anticipating, no more waiting, elevating the stakes. Some full stride, eyes open, captivating the scene. True life, my time, liberating my dreams. Every challenge that I'm seeking to meet, I'm overcoming, steady grinding, keep my beat to the street. I keep my mind thinking wise, hoping better to keep. Rising high, go get it with the vision I see. I'm getting clever, yeah. And I'm hitting my stride, clock ticking, never missing, no reason to hide. City passing while I'm moving and I'm taking it in, hitting every door, crashing and I'm wearing a grin. Through those alleyways, tucking, navigating the wake. Every package is a hustle, I'm wide and awake, no slowing, improving, baking these cakes moving. Through with the take, ooh, with the thrill I create. Damn, it's a plan, no overstand, I'm free in my zone. Drop hit, pick it up, lose full control. Don't mind if I splash while I'm making these waves. Life like a knife, baby, and I'm cutting my way, I'm better.
Lord, please deliver us, deliver me.
Talking hard, break, high stakes. Don't tell me what to think, believe, and doubt. For Pete's sakes, it's all